Bombay mix. Just when you thought there was only one kind of Bombay mix, there's bulky mix, which has got, what's that got on it? That's got peanuts, green peas, what else? Puffed rice, lentils, chickpeas and peas. Hot Bombay mix. That must be quite lots of chilli in that one, I guess. Yeah, same ingredients but chilli powder. And it's got lots of different flavours, I guess. It's got cumin, coriander, fenugreek. Ooh, and then you've got, I call these nimkis, but I think they're called para. Is that Gujarati, I wonder? Jeera, cumin. So these are savoury nimkis, or savoury para. And then Saka para, yeah, sweet ones as well, so sweet nimkis. Oh, and look at all these different Bombay mixes, chilli and lemon, pata mita, so savoury and sweet. Apart from sugar, what would make it sweet in there? So it's got semolina. Oh, we've got things like cardamom and clove and mango powder. That's a nice flavour. Mung dal, just have mung dal. Ooh, Gujarati mix. I wonder what makes a Gujarati mix different from a Bombay mix. It's got raisins, green lentils, and bel puri snack called Sev Mamra. This you'll see on Indian street foods, but I think a lot of modern Indian outlets sort of do bel puri using this. Oh, and there's a London mix, a London Bombay mix, right. I guess that's not spicy. It's got masoor dal, rice flour, vegetable oil, salt and spices. I think this is a very pared back Bombay mix. Very crunchy looking as well. Oh, look at that, jalfrezi. I guess this is a bit more spicier. It's got paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, cayenne powder, green lentils, puff rice. So yeah, so I think the kind of base of a Bombay mix, it's puff rice, green lentils, peanuts, and what's the other thing called? Gram flour. Little sticks of gram flour. I like the idea of these to snack on. Chilli and lemon corn nuts. And they're on special. Roasted corn nuts for 75p, reduced from £1.